Good morning, cadets. Hope all of you are doing well. So, previous video I uploaded about introduction to Excel plane and playing with coordinates, and we discussed one small project based on how the costume will change and how the color will change effect. I think you understood. So today in this class, how to change the background of the sprite, background of the stage, and how to change the sprite so that all things will see. Okay, it's very important concept behind the developing of your game creation. Okay, so backdrop changing, how to change the backdrop and how to change the background, how to change the sprite also, sprite size and sprite also. Okay, so how you get from the paint library and backdrop library you will get, and how to change the sprite. So what are the different ways to change the backdrop and what are the different ways to create the new sprite apart from the default sprite cat object. Okay, so very soon we are going to have one small coding competition event based on this scratch programming. So what we have learned till now, I already uploaded some beginners guide and basic projects PDF document in the Google Classroom. So please visit the Google Classroom and you will get one idea about so what type of usages of these blocks what are told. Okay, blocks का जो भी बताया ने जितना types of blocks to stage you listened in the scratch, so all things based on that all scratch blocks I upload one scratch cards and getting beginners guide. So you follow that and also follow my videos also and follow the textbook also mainly. Follow the textbook also based on this all things both from chapter 5 and chapter 6. So refer both chapter 5 and chapter 6, both are continuation part of the scratch programming only. I covered that all the chapter 5 and chapter 6 into a single chapter. Okay, concluding with the backdrop, the changing and different types of blocks discussion. We discussed the pen blocks also. We discussed the motion blocks. We discussed about the looks blocks. We discussed about control blocks. All things we seen. So based on all these types of blocks, you have to make one small project based on the question what we given, and you will have the online coding competition very soon. Okay, so today our topic goes to the changing the backdrop of the stage. How to change the backdrop of the stage in the scratch program, in the scratch window. So changing the backdrop of the stage, how to change the scratch. So the icons are new backdrop used to change the backdrop of the stage. So there it's clear as soon as you open the scratch window. As soon as you open the scratch window, you will get one here new backdrop करके दिखाता है. इसमें एक फोटो है, एक पेंट है, एक अपलोडिंग एक कैमरा से. Okay, you can create one background from your camera, or you can upload from the backdrop library, or you can upload your own image from your system, or you can create your own backdrop with the help of the paint editor. These are the 4 ways you can have, you can make your own backdrop or the stage of your program. Okay, next. So we can either create our own background or choose any of the backdrop available from the backdrop library built-in options. Okay, so Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. Yes, 4 different options. What does that say? Let us learn about each of one of them. Choosing backdrop from library. So how to choose the backdrop from library? See, to choose the backdrop from Scratch library, click on the backdrop from library. So you will get different options here, categorization based on the theme, which backdrop you want. So these all the things based on things whichever the game creation whichever you want. So the backdrop inbuilt library is already created. You want from this, you can take from this. For example, they taken with desert, they take it. So they got automatically backdrop stage of the stage, they will change automatically. Okay, so painting a new backdrop. If you want to change some new backdrop, apart from your library, if you want something any extra apart from this, then you can get from the painting new backdrop. What does that say? Upload a backdrop from file. So if you want to upload, you can upload the backdrop from the file. So clicking on these options, you can select the files like how you upload your files in the same way. So upload the files from the scratch icon. So for example, here they taken one image file and they are uploading here. So automatically it is uploaded here. Okay, so uploading the backdrop from the you can download from internet a particular picture and you can add as a background of your stage. Okay, new backdrop from camera. Okay, if you want to take the backdrop from the camera, so take the camera से आपका inbuilt webcam से if you want to take, you can take from the camera also. Okay, so that also can be import to the camera. Okay. We can add the backdrops in the following ways. So how we can add the backdrops? So adding backdrop from the library Then after painting editor, painting a new backdrop and also uploading the backdrop, so from the internet file or anything. Okay. Then after adding a new backdrop from the camera. These are the four options you are having. Here, four options. First option is from library. Second option is making your own paint editor. As the third option is uploading from the internet file or uploading then making up from the webcam. Okay. Then changing a sprite. So how to change the sprite is how to change the sprite. This is also very important. Scratch provides you with various options to change the sprite also. A sprite can change by using either of the following options. The same here also four options. Loading sprite from the library. The same way how you got from the backdrop library. So sprite library also we are having. So you can get from the inbuilt libraries, inbuilt sprites, whatever options are available from all them, anything your object you can select and you can click on OK. Okay. So now the cat is replaced with the cake option. So see the sprite object is changed to cake now. Okay. The same way you can based on your project whichever you are creating, you can have your own sprite from the library. Apart from that library, if you want to create your own sprite, then you can paint it. So you can paint your own sprite by using the various painting options. Yes. If you want your own sprite, you can make your own sprite painting options. So click on this button, you will get these options. So like how paint, MS Paint just out as, then you will get the paint options. You can create your own sprite. Here, you can make the inside that how that sprite should looks, how the sprite you want to show. So that all things you can create here. Okay. Here, just after paint में create होता है, the same thing you can create here also. Here, so paint editor toolbar. So paint editor toolbar, paint brush, line tool, rectangular tool, and ellipse tool. So how you got in the paint and the same things will available. Same things are available here. Okay. So paint tool, paint brush, line tool, rectangular tool, ellipse tool, text tool. If you want to add in some text, a paint bucket. So if you want to fill that area, eraser tool. If you want to delete some area, selection tool. If you want to select some particular portion of the area. So removing background tool and stamp tool, color switcher. If you want to change the color switcher and if you want to take the color swatch. So all options how paint will available, the same options are available here also. Paint editor toolbar. So what is this? Paint brush. It is used to select the different size of the brushes also. जैसा हम लोग का जो brushes होता है, what we had in your paint. So the same thing here also. The paint brush tools also available. Eraser. This option also offers different sizes of the eraser. How you have in the paint. Okay, the same thing. How the paint में जैसा आप लोग करते same. The user can erase using freehand strokes. Okay. Fill. It is easy to fill the closed area within the color. Okay, color का अंदर में fill color करना है तो ये fill हो जाएगा. Next, these option offers various fill styles including solid color, gradient option, vertical gradient, horizontal gradient, radial gradient. Okay, these are the different options are available. Okay, let's know more. A gradient fill is a graphical effect that produces a three-dimensional color look by blending one color into another color. So multiple colors can be used where one color gradually fades and other color changes to another color. Okay. Paint editor toolbar. Okay. Paint editor toolbar. See, ellipse. It is used to draw outline the fill ellipse shape also. Rectangle. It is used to draw an outline or fill rectangle. Okay. Next. Another fact. So to draw a square, drag the rectangle tool by pressing the shift key. You can to draw the square or drag the rectangle tool by pressing the shift key. Similarly, to draw a circle, drag the ellipse tool by pressing the shift. Okay, if you want to draw ellipse, you can use the ellipse select करके उसको drag करना है, उसके बाद shift से बाहर. Changing sprite from the file. The next option is changing the sprite from the file. जैसा कि आप लोग backdrop जैसे change करते हैं, the same way you can upload or if you want download from the internet file or any image file you can download and you can upload from that particular. Okay. Right. So scratch file. So scratch से upload कर रहे हैं. Okay. See here PNG files. Some PNG files are there. That PNG files are being uploaded here. Clear? Now select the image sprite from the existing file and click on the open button. So if you want anything apart from this, so there's some Pokemon जैसा कि they taken one sprite object from the downloading from the website. Apart from this, the last option available you are having is using web camera. Yes, web camera, just the same way how you got in your backdrop, the same you got from your web camera also. Okay. Now if you want to make your own photo as your own sprite, so then you can make that also. Okay. So here you will find the two options, save and close. So save option and close option, and once you get the camera click, then you can save it and then save the button and save it too. Okay. The image will be displayed as a sprite in the sprite list. Okay. Close the button. Once you close, then you select it, automatically it will appear on the stage. So deleting the sprite from the scratch code. How to delete a sprite from the scratch code? See, to delete the sprite, click on right click and select the delete option. Select the delete option. Here, click on the sprite, select the delete option. So let's have the practice time. Let us try to depict the scene of Ottoman by using motion blocks. Depict the start a new project. So this project we'll make now. Okay. By default, cat sprite is at the center. So delete that cat sprite. So we'll change that into cat sprite. The cat sprite को change कर देंगे. So if you want to make it, that we'll remove that and we'll take one backdrop stage. They taken the tree object. Okay. So tree they taken. So backdrop हो गया. Once the backdrop over, they taken the newer sprite. They are taking the new sprite. So they are taking from the things object. Things category name. They taken the holy sprite. They selected. So they selected the holy sprite. Now they are adjusting the size of the sprite by using the grow size shrink grow size button. Then after, so events category they taken the head block, that is one when flat click. Then they taken the point in direction 90 degrees. Then they taken go to X block, go to X and Y block, particular direction they taken. Then glide they taken glide block, glide 1 to second, glide 1 to second ऐसा करके they taken the glide block for the 5 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times they taken glide block. So glide block they taken. So point in direction they taken move to down. So glide they change the direction and right click on that. They taken the duplicate button also. Taken the duplicate button also the particular holy object. So now two sprites are created. Now again one more sprite came, that is holy 2. It is changed. So the click on that particular holy 2 sprite. So again make changes the values of the particular x and y values of the glide option as per your wish. Okay, making that x value will be less and the y value will be something whichever you want. Okay, take that values whichever you want. So then make the point in direction, glide 2 seconds, glide 1 seconds, whichever you want. So glide is mainly used to glide a particular section में जाके glide हो जाएगा. Okay, see how it is gliding from the particular tree. See the two objects are gliding from the particular tree and making it direction. देखो point in direction जैसा कि आप लोग drop position में कैसे देख रहे थे, you are able to see from the particular object what they are saying. Okay, this is about the particular blocks. Pen blocks we already discussed. Pen blocks में हम लोग different shapes we drawn, different polygon shapes we done. So now how to change the sprite or how to choose the different backdrop library, we will make that particular project whatever was shown in video presentation. So first I am deleting that particular sprite. So open the scratch, alternator, I am deleting this particular sprite. So now it is deleted. Now I am going for the new backdrop. Click on new backdrop. New backdrop. I am taking the particular tree object. See where it is. See tree backdrop. If I am getting, I will get. I am waiting for the tree objects, the outdoors. Tree. Okay, I am taking this tree. Okay, we will make this project and okay. I clicked on okay. Now I got my tree as a backdrop of my stitch. Now we take the new sprite. Let's have the new sprite. New sprite I am taking. Go to things category. Go to things category. Go to things category. Go to things category. There we get fruit. Where is that fruit? Let us have that holy. Okay, holy we are taking. Okay, click on OK. If you want to increase that size, you can take that, increase the size of the particular roller size. If you want to shrink, you can get the shrink button. Okay, this is increasing the size. If you want to increase the size. Yeah, I increased. Okay, now I'm going to events block. So when flag clicked, it should open with the point in direction that is in motion. Point in direction I'm taking the point in direction 180 degrees. I'm taking 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Then we have go to X option. Go to X or Y. This we've seen in the previous video, that is X and Y direction, but a particular position it is going. Okay, particular position it is going. So I am taking the default, it is keeping like that only. Then after glide, so what is that glide? Glide 1 second. Glide 1 second is just moving to the particular position. It will start just will take. Okay, these will be taken for the 6 times. Okay, I am taking this 6 times glide. I have taken 6 times. When it will time this 6 times. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can take 5 also. Not no enough. Okay. Then again point in direction 90 degrees. Where is the point in direction? So 180 degrees. 180 degrees in the sense it will go to the downside. Clear? Downside. So I already shown that down means right means 90, minus 90 means left, 0 means up, 180 means down. Okay, go to X and Y means it go to the particular position of that particular side. Glide 1 second. So glide 1 second is mainly used for the taking to the moving to the particular position of the sprite. It will this block what will do is this moves the sprite smoothly to the specified X and Y position in the specified amount of seconds. So वो particular second में within 1 second, so it moves to the particular position. Okay, that is X position, Y position automatic change हो जाएगा. तो ये डिफॉल्ट सब X 6131 में है. मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा 70 to 18 72 to 90 96. Okay, so if you want to can change that seconds also. We'll change the glide 2 seconds. I am changing the values 50, 120. Glide 2 seconds I am changing here 80, 150 like that. Okay, now again I am taking one more sprite. So to take one more sprite, that is click on that sprite, click on duplicate and make that sprite here also. That sprite move, make the change the values of that particular sprite. ये हो गया. So change the values of the sprite. Point in direction same, let us keep that. We will change the values of these values, that is 50, 85. Okay, these will change 70, 70 and 96, 80, 110. So as per your wish. Okay, how you want. So based on that, 150, 180. Here, so let's have. So when flag click, what will happen is, देखो, two objects are started moving. So they are taking the gliding and they are at the position of that particular seconds. It is moving and both are at the same time they moved in the 180 degrees also. Okay, अगर राइट साइड में जाना है तो होली 2 को, अगर लेफ्ट साइड में जाना है, लेफ्ट साइड में क्लिक करना है तो -90 कर देंगे. तो वो लेफ्ट साइड में मूव होगा. देखो कैसे होगा. देखो, let's see how that two fruits are falling is. उतना भी ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay, yeah. So based on that, how you want to appear this side or that side, so that all things will be done. Yeah, this is about this project. So one more project will make that about how the bouncing ball will move. How the bouncing ball will move. See, let's take the backdrop. We'll take which object will take when flagged it. We'll have one more project, new project. Save करके हो गया. Let's save this project. next new project. Let's have take the we'll take the स्पोर्ट्स कैटेगरी से फुटबॉल का गोल कैसे करेंगे, सो दैट विल सी. सो फुटबॉल का गोल, ओके, फुटबॉल गोल हाउ विल वी डू दैट विल सी. ओके, let's take the backdrop first, stage backdrop. There we will get which backdrop. Let's see, any ground option is there. Football field. Let's take this one, goal 1. Let's take this goal 1 backdrop. So I am taking this goal 1 backdrop हो गया, and I am deleting this cat sprite. Oh, click on duplicate, delete it. I am also deleting here. Now let's take one new sprite of football. So where we'll get, see any balls here, footballs available. Let's go to things category. Anyway, yeah, balls, soccer I got, so I am taking this ball. So after once you click on OK. Yeah, now it came here. So now our script will start. So what will happen, that everyone know that if it comes to edge, so it should bounce like that, na? Football, I think you know, as soon as it comes to the goal, the particular, it will come automatically. Okay, it should bounce automatically. See, when flag clicked, so as soon as our event will start, I am taking one control block called forever block. Forever block I am taking. Then after motion block, move 15 steps. I am taking more steps, move some 15 to 20 steps like that, whichever you want. 20 steps I am taking. Then again control blocks, if block, if block here I kept, if block, if touching edge, so sensing touching edge, where I'll get touching the edge, where I get here, if touching edge. Okay, I'm taking this block here. If touching mouse point only it is coming. Okay, if touching edge, okay, if touching edge, move 15 steps. If touching edge, what will happen? If touching edge, it should turn 5 degrees. If it should turn 5 degrees, so it should turn, that is clockwise, it should turn 5 degrees. 5 degrees I am taking. Let's start. Then again change color effect by 20. So that change color effect will get from the change color by 20 from the looks block. Looks block से हम लोग को मिलेगा. So mainly looks block, control blocks and motion blocks will get change color effect by, so 25 I am taking. Then after, if on edge bounds, that is motion blocks. If on edge, so if on edge bounds, so if on edge bounds it will bounce. If on edge, at the edge it will bounce. See how it will come. 15 steps हो गया. इसके बाद edge को bounce होगा, मतलब it will bouncing. Edge को touch हो रहा है मतलब it is bouncing. Let's see how it is moving. Clear? Move 15 steps हो गया. Edge को अगर touch किया तो it is rotating to 5 degrees. Then after it is changing color effect by, थोड़ा सा color effect हो रहा है, आप लोग को देख पाएगा तो color effect में touch होने से color effect कर दिया था. So it will repeat up to until, so जब तक वो edge को bounce करेगा, it will repeat like this one. If you want one more sprite, if you want to make add one more sprite, you can add that sprite and you can make that particular script according to it, and you can make that particular project. See, understood? First क्या गया, forever block. Forever means it will repeat after the next upcoming blocks, that is control blocks we are going to get. There we will get that this particular project, that is forever block. So forever block means what? It is repeats until the condition satisfies. Okay, so it will do so on up to last up to when forever touch. Forever means the name itself only. It is used to repeat the set of commands forever, that is till infinity. So ये जो commands है move 15 steps, so it will repeat until infinity times also. Okay, so infinity times. In other words, if this block is used, the set of commands will be executed without stopping. So all the instructions whatever you are giving, so it will stop without executing. मतलब set of executed without stopping. Until unless it will not stop. See, my ball is stopped, so ball कहीं पे भी stop नहीं हो रहा. देखो, it is automatically moving. देख पा रहा? Clear? So it is also changing the color also. Color effect अगर आप लोग और भी अगर effect करना तो देख लीजिए. I am taking to 50. So how effect color is affecting? It is repeating until infinity times. It will go on like that and it will change according. Clear? Clear all of you? Okay. Next class we'll discuss about the control blocks. Very important topic. So control blocks also we'll discuss, and bouncing ball up and down. So this is about the bouncing ball up and down and playing the football category. Football opening background goal and sports category वो जो है वो aim आएगा. Okay. This will come under conditional programming only. Conditional blocks. Okay. Conditional blocks it will come. Clear? Next, bouncing ball up and down. Bouncing the ball up and down. See how the bouncing ball will up and down. Let's see that one. So I am making this project. Okay, a new project. Bouncing ball up and down. See, I am deleting this particular sprite. I am changing to new sprite. We want again ball. I am taking this basketball. I am taking bouncing ball up and down. It should do. So what it should do? See. So when go to events, when flag clicked, it should go up and down. So it should move up and down. So go to X, that is motion. Go to X position, X particular position. Then point in direction block. Then again we have show block. Show. Where is show? Okay, show block. The looks block. Okay. Show. Then wait 1 second. That is we'll get from the motion blocks only. Wait 1 second. Where it is? Sorry. Motion block. Wait 1 second. Yeah, control blocks you got. Wait 1 second. Then forever loop again I am taking. इसमें again move steps. Then if on edge bounce. So this option we take. You go to X position, that is X value will be 40 and Y value will be 30. So it will pick any random. अगर randomly अगर take if you want to take, then you can get from this particular operators block pick random. Okay, यहाँ पे random में डाल दो. X value कहाँ पे भी लेना है. Okay, here also Y value कहाँ पे भी ले लो. So X values ranges from minus 240 to 240 value. Okay, X values from ranges from 240 to 240, and randomly this is also minus 180 to 180 degrees तक. So it moves point in direction. Pick random from 1 to 90. This also will take from pick random. The point in direction also will take from any direction. Then show wait once. So how this ball will bounce? You see this. I want once flag will click. See, this bouncing ball is taking anywhere from any direction. You want to take the full screen? You take see here. Look. Okay. It is bouncing ball. This program is called bouncing ball. So we taken the X position, pick randomly from any value from minus 240 to 240. That is, X value is ranging from minus 240 to 240. Y value is ranging from minus 180 to 180. The direction also be taken from 1 to 10 any value. Then once it show, it's wait for 1 second. Then forever it moves for 10 steps and until infinity. Then edge bounces. Okay, if an edge bounce, it will move 10 steps, so it will go on continue like this. So this is about bouncing ball and football, soccer ball we seen, and autumn ka jo fruits how will fall in that we seen. This is about this video. So next class we'll have one more game. Last 7 का class 6 chapter में we'll have how to play the game, how to create one small game. Okay, that we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared. So very small script only. You try at this home. Okay, try at your home. Pick random. Pick random is in there in the operators block. Go to X block. X value I can give anywhere, but so randomly takes from the X range, that is minus 240 to 240. Y also takes from any value from minus 180 to 180. The point in direction also it is taking randomly from 1 to 10. Then after it shows, then it will wait for 1 second. So forever loop repeats until for infinity times for move 10 steps. If an edge bounce, so if an edge bounce is similar like a point in direction only. If an edge bounce is nothing but it's one of the types of motion block. Motion blocks का use इसमें होता है. If an edge bounce is while moving on stage, if the sprite reaches at the edge, if an edge में अगर आए तो it does not hide itself rather than it starts bouncing. So edge तक अगर आने से it bounce होना शुरू होगा. That is the main purpose of this motion block. Okay, forever block is the C block. It comes under C block, control blocks. It repeats infinity times. It repeats infinity times. Okay, clear? I think it's clear. Okay. Today I am concluding. Try this 3 projects at your home if you are adding a Scratch to offline editor. Okay. Very soon we are going to have the Scratch online coding competition based on these types of blocks whatever we learned. Okay. So next class we will come with one more game whatever they taught in the class 7 textbook. So that will teach. Okay. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared.